Hi, my name is CHANDRA SWAROOP. I am from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. I have joined Qspiders in the month of November and I have got placed in the month of February. And the Qspiders team, including the trainers and the HRs, helped me a lot to get placed in this reputed company. And the mock interviews which were conducted by the Qspiders team helped me to improve my communication skills. And presentations which are conducted every day by the trainers helped me a lot to improve my communication skills and interact with other people, which helped me a lot to crack this interview. And the trainers in the Qspiders are very experienced and well technically well, who helped me a lot in gaining a good knowledge in manual testing, SQL and automation too. And during this course, I have also got the opportunity to join in internship in the company RoboWaves, which helped me to get hands-on experience in manual testing and automation using an automated tool. Finally, I want to thank HRs and every trainer of Qspiders for getting this job. Thank you, Qspiders.